Hi everybody! Today I have another mask to share. Last week I did a video on the Dr. Jart rubber mask, I think. And this is another one from Sephora, but it's called Primary Raw, and it's a 2-step milk pilling kit. I've never heard of this brand before, but I thought it seemed interesting to try. So it's 2 parts. The first part is called the Refine Therapy AHA Milk Pilling Cotton Swab. Refines and purifies. This one looks like a regular sheet mask, the step 2, and it's Advanced Skin Fit Sheet Mask. Hydrates and resurfaces. So there's that one. And I bought this at Sephora for $6. It says it's for normal, oily combination, dry, and sensitive. It's for solutions for dullness, uneven texture, pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. A 2-step kit with an exfoliating swab and soothing sheet mask to reveal brighter, more hydrated, and smoother skin. First step, like I said, is the cotton swab. And it says, use after cleansing. Sweep cotton swab over targeted areas of the face, such as cheeks, nose, and blemish-prone areas. Discard after use. So we're going to do this one first. It's just a really big cotton swab with product on it. So I get a lot of pimples around here. Cheeks, nose, and blemish prone areas. Well, probably my whole face, so. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like a spa. It's not burning or tingling yet. It's not super saturated either, so that's good that it doesn't run everywhere. It feels nice, and it smells really fresh. Now step 2, apply mask onto face and spreading evenly onto facial contours. After 20 minutes, remove the mask. This is interesting. It says it's handmade in Korea and that they do not perform testing on animals, so that's awesome. So we just put this on like a regular sheet mask. And it feels really liquidy, so I gotta be careful. I've opened some sheet masks and just product just goes everywhere. It is a fabric sheet mask. It's microfiber sheet mask. And it's slimy. It's not dripping very much. Yeah, it's super slimy. This smells really nice too. So it didn't say to rinse your face after the cotton swab. So I'm guessing you just put this on after. Okay, so I will be back in 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm going to take it off. It says to massage the excess product into your skin. This is one of the slimier face masks I've used. It smells, like I said, it smells really nice. It's a little sticky. I'm gonna let the excess dry and then so the excess does take a little bit to sink in, and my face is kind of sticky. So if you don't like that feeling, then you're probably not gonna like this mask, but my face feels cool. It feels soft, but sticky. I've had a lot of face masks that feel like this though, so I don't know if it's a general, and the feeling never goes away, so that's how my skin looks. It says it's a peeling mask. I don't feel any skin peeling off or anything. It felt really gentle. It said it's good for sensitive skin also. It smells really nice. My skin feels nice, but like I said, tacky, sticky. So if you don't like that feeling, that's about the only thing I can say about it. Of course, one treatment's not going to get rid of lines. But I feel like my face is a little brighter. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Fresh Face Friday. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.